Hi, hi everyone. Let me go straight to the point. Let me teach you how you can rent foreign images for your site verification. Very simple, right? You head onto your Safari or Chrome browser or any browser you're using, then head on and type mysmsverify.com. Yes, that's the first approach. Then you'll see this lovely landing page. So let's go straight to the point. Over here, then get started for free. So we have here create an account. Yeah, you can create an account or you can continue with Google. But I already have an account, so I'll go straight to the point. Voila. So when you actually log in, you will see this beautiful dashboard, this beautiful UI. You get me? This beautiful UI. So the next thing you have to actually do is to top up. You get me? Maybe probably you don't have enough balance to buy your cards to top up, but you have to check the amount of top up you'll be doing. So you get number, yeah, get number here, then you search for the services. Let's assume I want WhatsApp. Yeah, I want WhatsApp. I want to verify WhatsApp for UK. So here, this is the price, this is the actual price for verify number to get a number to verify my WhatsApp. So this is, so I have to top up. It's too low, so I have to top up. Make sure I top up with paystack right here. So top up now, then I do the necessary procedures to top up. So I'm actually paying with what we call my Momo, direct Momo secured by paystack. Then it will reflect here. When it reflects, it's reflecting account instantly. You have to head on to get number once again, then you rent it out. I want to show the available ones, then you rent it out. Yeah, so basically that's how it works. It's very simple. You just have to top up, then you rent the number. You get an instant code when you input your number on the site that you are doing the verification. Yeah, my name is Steve, and as always, I'm out.